So you've come to this video because you've got bathroom or laundry taps that look like this and you have no idea how the handles come off because there's no visible screw or clip. These particular handles are secured from underneath, but we require a little plumbing tool which we can pick up cheap from most hardware stores or plumbing stores. First, we must turn off the water supply at the mains. We should then open up the tap just to release any water that may be in the system. We then need to grab our plumbing tool and place it underneath the tap handle with the hooks facing upwards, so we can try to slot them inside this little groove. Now this next part can be done the hard way or the easy way. The hard way is to try and spin the tool around and around until you unscrew the little piece inside, or you can hold the tool in place and spin the tap handle instead. Eventually the threaded ring inside the tap handle will release, and this will allow the tap handle to be taken off the top. Now we can remove the rubber O-ring and the washer and the metal threaded piece as well, and just put them aside in a safe place so we can put them back later. If you're having trouble with the base not unscrewing and you need a video on that, or a video of the entire process changing a washer from start to finish, there is a video on my channel for that, and there's a link in the description. Thanks for watching. I hope you found the video helpful. If you did, please like and subscribe to help the channel out.